Casting off your knitting. We begin by knitting 2 stitches. Once you have 2 stitches onto your working needle, use your left needle to lift the first stitch over the second stitch. Then knit another stitch so that we once again have 2 stitches on our working needle. Then lift your first stitch over your second stitch. Continue to repeat this pattern, casting off 1 stitch at a time until you have only 1 stitch remaining on your working needle. When you have only 1 stitch remaining, you should be able to see a nice clean cast off edge, and you can now trim your yarn and take this trimmed tail and feed it through this last stitch. Once you've fed that tail through, pull on the yarn nice and tight, and that's your cast off finished.